Hello, this is Peter. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will talk about local marketing efforts for small businesses. Certainly, here's a summary of tips to enhance local marketing efforts for small businesses. 1. Optimize your Google My Business profile. Claim and verify your Google My Business listing. Ensure accurate business information, including address, phone number, and hours. Add high-quality photos of your business. 2. Create a mobile-friendly website. Make sure your website is responsive and loads quickly on mobile devices. Include location-specific keywords in your website content. 3. Local SEO. Use local keywords in your website's meta tags, headers, and content. Build local backlinks by getting featured on local websites or directories. 4. Online reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and Facebook. Respond promptly to all reviews, both positive and negative. 5. Social media presence. Maintain active social media profiles and post content regularly. Share local news, events, and promotions to engage with your community. 6. Local advertising. Invest in local online advertising, such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Target specific local demographics and use location-based keywords. 7. Content marketing. Create blog posts, videos, or infographics relevant to your local audience. Share informative and valuable content that addresses local needs or interests. 8. Local partnerships. Collaborate with other local businesses for cross-promotions and joint marketing efforts. Sponsor or participate in local events and charity activities. 9. Email marketing. Build a local email list and send targeted promotions or updates to local subscribers. Personalize emails with the recipient's name and location. 10. Track and analyze. Use analytics tools to monitor your website traffic, social media engagement, and advertising performance. Adjust your strategies based on what works best for your local audience. 11. Community engagement. Attend local meetings, events, and networking groups to connect with the community. Show genuine interest in local issues and contribute positively. Remember that consistency is key in local marketing. Regularly update and adapt your strategies based on your audience's preferences and feedback. Building a strong local presence takes time, so be patient and persistent in your efforts. Thanks for watching.